Classic lasagna soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 large yellow onion, diced, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 425 grams ground beef, 60 grams tomato paste, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1 can crushed tomato, 960 milliliters chicken stock, 225 grams lasagna noodle, roughly broken, 225 grams ricotta cheese, for serving. Preparation: heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once the oil begins to shimmer, add the onion and cook until softened and golden brown, about 7 minutes. Add the garlic and cook, stirring constantly, until aromatic, about 1 minute. Add the ground beef and cook, breaking up the meat with a wooden spoon, until browned and cooked through, about 5 minutes. Add the tomato paste and cook, stirring constantly, until combined, about 1 minute. Add the salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, rosemary, crushed tomatoes, and chicken stock and bring to a low boil, stirring to combine. Add the lasagna noodles and cook until al dente according to package instructions. Ladle the lasagna soup into bowls and top with a dollop of ricotta. Nutrition information: serving size 100 grams, calories 90, fat 4 grams, carbs 9 grams, fiber 2 grams, sugars 2 grams, protein 6 grams. Enjoy! We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below.